Hello guys, welcome to our channel Dream OZ. In today's video, I'm going to tell you about the 190 visa eligibility requirements for Victoria and the application process. The first two requirements, age and English competency, are the generic ones. You need to be below 45 years of age and have competent English score. Let's talk about those requirements which are different to other states. The first one, residency. You must have lived and worked in Victoria for at least the past 6 months in your nominated occupation only. For example, if anyone is an IT engineer, he or she should be working in the IT occupation only. If someone is a mechanical engineer, he or she should be working in the mechanical engineering field. But the good news here is that they also accept 20 hours per week as being employed. So if someone is working just for 20 hours or on part-time basis, you need not worry whether your employment will be considered or not. It will definitely be considered as an acceptable employment. So these were the requirements in the normal situation. But if I talk about the current COVID scenario, they are only inviting candidates working in a highly skilled occupation in health or medical research or something which supports Victoria's economic recovery after COVID pandemic. So though they say the conditions are like you must have lived and worked in Victoria for last 6 months in any nominated occupation, but that's not the reality. The reality is that they are inviting just the candidates working in health sector. So if you are an IT engineer or a mechanical engineer or someone who is not into a medical profession, but if your work is directly or indirectly linked to health sector, I mean if you're able to prove that your work is related to the health sector and you are contributing towards promoting Victoria's health sector, you have good chances of receiving the nomination. Also, there is a lot of chaos that they are inviting all the nurses, in fact, nurses only. If you are a nurse, you need to listen this very carefully. They will be nominating applicants in the following nursing occupations only, which is midwife, registered nurse aged care, registered nurse critical care and emergency, registered nurse mental health, and registered nurse in perioperative sector. So that's about the eligibility requirements. If I talk about the application process, it is slightly different from a regular 190 application process. As usual, you need to first make an expression of interest, selecting Victoria as your preferred state for 190. So after that, you need to submit a registration of interest for Victoria visa nomination on the Live in Melbourne website during the submission window. I have given the link to that website in the description box below. So after that, as usual, your application will be assessed. If you are invited to apply for the Victorian nomination, instructions will be sent on your registered email and you can follow on from there. So that's all about the requirements and application process in brief. So if you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to leave them in the comment section below and I will get back to you. Thanks for watching and do like and subscribe us for more such updates on Australia immigration process.